Why track your nutrition?
Tracking your nutrition can help you reach health goals, maintain energy levels, and make mindful choices. Logging meals makes it easier to spot patterns and stay accountable. By using simple, free tech tools, you can gain insights into your eating habits and ensure you're meeting daily needs without feeling overwhelmed or spending money.
Free apps for simple meal logging.
Several apps make tracking what you eat fast and easy. MyFitnessPal offers a free version that lets you log meals, scan barcodes, and see nutrition summaries. Lose It provides a similar free experience, focusing on calorie tracking and goal setting. Both have large food databases and reminders to help keep you consistent.
Using Google Sheets or Excel for tracking.
If you prefer full control, you can use free spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets or Excel online. Create simple tables for meals, calories, and nutrients. Many templates are available online, or you can customize your own. This approach offers flexibility if you want to track extra details or try out different systems.
Setting and monitoring dietary goals.
Most free apps and spreadsheets allow you to set targets for calories, carbs, proteins, and fats. Seeing your daily totals makes it easier to adjust your habits. Many apps also offer progress charts, helping you monitor trends and celebrate successes over time, which can boost motivation and keep you on track.
Tips for sticking with tracking.
Consistency is key. Set reminders to log meals after eating. Start simple. Track basic foods or just main meals until it feels routine. Use shortcuts like barcode scanning or frequent food lists to speed up the process. Over time, tracking becomes a habit, making mindful eating and achieving health goals more manageable.